what I wanna do, then I'ma get a business too.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that.
That, you know?
Okay, before I get done copywriting. So, hi guys, guess who's back? Who's calling us? Huh? So, what's popping, guys? So we are on our way to Silverstone, and it's about 8:57, so basically 9 o'clock. We're running a bit late, well, behind usual schedule, but we already addressed that issue earlier. So yeah, this is my first time ever going to something like this. So I'm kind of excited a little bit because I just want to see. Like, this is my first like car show, car event, car whatever. And like, I'm not talking about car meets. I've been to those, but I'm talking about like a proper car like event. This is my first one, so I'm kind of excited to go to see what it's about. Yeah, it should be good. I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be, but if it does like just cut out, it's literally because there is no storage and I've left my SD card and my transferable thing at home. So yeah, we're gonna just get as much content as we can with the memory that we have. But yeah, so as always, you guys will see my B-roll, and I'll probably see you guys in a bit. Let me shut up. Oh, this guy. No! We ain't even been here for 30 seconds. Did you even hear what he said? He said 2 bridges and left.
Yeah, 2 bridges. One
Yeah.
bridge, 2 bridges.
No, I'm making sure that you're listening. Because look at you. Look at everybody just wants to look. This is it. Guys, come! Can you not? You haven't even been here for that long. Can you not chill? No?
2 bridges then left.
Yeah. I can't with this guy. I'm screaming. enjoy myself. Like, there's so much going on, and the weather's proper nice. Like, these guys are so blessed that they booked it this weekend, because I don't even know what the temperature is right now, but I want to say maybe like 24, 25. And in the UK, that's considered as hot. But yeah, no, there's like, I've literally seen everything. I've seen like supercars, I've seen like performance cars, I've seen like Formula 1 cars, I've seen like Japanese style cars. Is it Japanese? Japanese style cars, German cars. I've learned a thing or two as well about a couple of cars. I learned that in the Challenger and the Dodge, that the light is not a light, it's an intake. I don't know a lot about muscle cars, and we saw two today. We saw an SRT and we saw a Challenger, sorry. And I didn't know that the light, what looks like a light, is actually an intake. My boyfriend pointed it out and I was like, I was like, shit, that's actually crazy. I've seen my dream car. There's been I saw two that I really liked. Yeah, I'll put some photos because I've taken pictures of them. Like I'm some kind of car photographer when I'm really not, but I just enjoy, set good car shots. You know what I'm saying? But there's two. I think the first one, which I'm gonna pop, is giving this. It's a bit of me. I saw a 240, which was nice. Not a fan of the colour. It wasn't like a grey. That's a bit of me. There's a lot going on, as you guys can tell. Oh, I want to see the drifting thing so bad. Me, I love a drift. But what, one thing I don't like about the car, I don't say scene, but the car industry, whatever. I don't like these people that do these mad burbles, whatever you want to call them. These poops, like these loud, erratic poops that it's too much sometimes. Like, yeah, do a few and call it a day. But the ones that like proper bang and they hurt your ears, like just give it a rest. Just give it a rest. That's the only part I like. Everything else I'm a fan of.